Warm salutations. Standing right in front of you is a pedagogical practitioner known as Sabong Makwai. He who does not see today's opportunity will never be able to see tomorrow's opportunity. So, clap hands for yourself, learners, because we are here today. You saw today's opportunity by attending this class. This class is very, very, very important. You know what I'm saying? So, we are in the step of me shaping your future. You know what I'm saying? So let us start. I want to shape your future now. Today's lesson is about matter and materials under atoms. Okay? What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Anything that has mass and takes up space is matter. This book is matter. Why? It has mass and it also takes up space. It has mass, it has weight. You know what I'm saying? I am matter too. Okay, another examples of matter is air, water, rocks, living things, etc. Yes, I see that I am also matter. You can see here it states that living things is matter. You know what I'm saying? So all matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Alright. So this book I said is matter. It is made out of a tiny particle called atom. There are many tiny particles here, atoms, you know what I'm saying? And I'm also matter, I'm made out of small, many tiny particles called atoms. You know what I'm saying? So, we are busy talking about atoms. I can see that young lady there is confused, doesn't know what an atom is. No, don't worry, I got you. That is why we are here. You know what I'm saying? We are here to learn. So, definition of an atom. Atoms are smallest unit of matter. The smallest unit of matter. Konje, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. For example, I am matter. So, I am. And then atoms are the smallest unit of matter. So, I have many atoms here. The smallest unit of me are what? Are atoms. You know what I'm saying? So, they are the building blocks of all substances. They are the building blocks of all substances. Why? They are the basic ingredient of life. If it wasn't for atoms, life wouldn't exist. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Atoms are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Alright. I can see that in your eyes that you are having a question. We are seeing that atoms, they are too small to be seen with the naked eye. And how do we know that they exist? Very simple. Scientists use experiments and powerful microscopes to see atoms. But with the naked eye, you can't see them. You need what? A microscope. You know what I'm saying? So, the basic structure of an atom, it has subatomic particles. Okay. Each subatomic particle, it has its own sign, you know? Yeah. So, we have protons. Protons has a positive sign. Since protons have a positive sign, they are found inside the nucleus. From our structure, you can see the structure of an atom. It consists of subatomic particles. Here is the proton. Proton, it has what? A positive sign. You see? Yeah. And then this one are the electrons. As you can see, electrons, they have what? The negative sign. And the electrons, they move around the nucleus, you know. You can keep them, for example, they are like the bees buzzing around a hive, you know. They are bees moving around this nucleus, the electrons. And an important thing, electrons are the only ones that moves. And then protons and neutrons, they do not move. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Another subatomic particle is neutrons. Neutrons, no charge, but they are found inside the nucleus. You see these circles here, they have no charge. These ones, they are the ones that are called the neutrons, and they are found inside the what? The nucleus, under the structure of an atom. You know what I'm saying? So electrons, we already spoke about them. They have the negative charge. The orbit is the nucleus, which means they surround the nucleus. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This example I already told you about bees buzzing around the hive. So consider this as a hive, and then these electrons as bees, as they are buzzing around the nucleus. You know what I'm saying? So everyday examples. Water is made out of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Oxygen gas, O2, is made of oxygen atoms bonded together. A ruler, this one is really, I like, people believe in what they see. So children, you see that ruler in front of you, it is made up of a long chains of carbon and hydrogen atoms. It is an example of what? Of matter made out of atoms. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Now, the importance of atoms. When we started this lesson, I said, if atoms did not exist, life would not exist. Okay, now we are here. The importance of atoms. Atoms are building blocks of matter, which means they are everything around us. And even us, we are what? We are made out of atoms and we are matter. You know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. For example, air, water, rocks, metals, plastic, etc. Okay? Without atoms, matter will not exist. Remember, why are they saying without atoms, matter will not exist? Because matter is made out of atoms. Okay? They rearrange to form new substances like metals, which conduct electricity. Modern technology is here because of atoms. And then remember, I said the structure of an atom, it has protons and which are positive charge, and neutrons, which is a neutral, and electrons, which are negatively charged. For example, electricity has three charges also. It has the F, which is the neutrons. It has the positive charge with and then it also has the negative charge. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So modern technology is based on understanding atoms. As I have said, that modern technology is all about atoms. Yeah. So they help us see what harmful substances are made of and how they spread in air, water, or soil. When I'm talking about harmful substances, I mean substances like polluted air, smoke, they pollute the air. So that is the importance of atoms. They help us see how harmful substances are made of. I mean the exhaust fumes from the cars. You know what I'm saying? So right, guys, I'm having questions to ask you, né? Where we are keeping right now. So, but define matter and give two everyday examples. As you know that matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Okay, cool. What is an atom and why is it called a building block of matter? You know that an atom is what? Atom are smallest unit of matter. Why is it called of matter? Because the atoms makes matter. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I've been talking a lot now. Now it's time for you to also engage. I want to give you a homework. So let me raise here so that I can give you homework. You can be easy at home and stop Kalamati, you know. Yeah, when you stay at home and busy doing your homework, you become more safe. Not like busy moving around all the streets. Yeah. And then, okay, the topic is you can write today's date. Okay. Number one, name the three subatomic particles. Three subatomic particles. which part of the atom contains most of its mass? Why do electrons move around the nucleus? Electrons move around a nucleus while protons and neutrons stay inside. Stay inside. I hope you remember because I told you. Remember? So I want to show you structure of an atom. Yeah. Remember, this is the structure of an atom. You know what I'm saying? Here it is. As you can see, electrons, protons, the positive, the red color, blue color, neutrons. You know what I'm saying? The circle ones, these ones are the opposite. So, guys, I have shaped your future now. What is left is you to go home and do your homework. So, thank you for joining our class today.